Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing wallpaper on iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, tap Wallpaper from the left sidebar. Tap Choose a new wallpaper. You can choose from some default Apple wallpapers by tapping on Dynamic or Stills. Tap on a wallpaper and you can see a preview of what it will look like. Tap Cancel if you don't want to use it. Tap Set if you want to use it. And then choose whether to save it as the lock screen, home screen, or set it as both. You can also choose from any of your own photos and set them as a wallpaper. On the wallpaper preview, you can pinch and zoom in or out and drag the image to crop it. Tap Set once done. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.